So why walkability is essential for urban areas? Walkability affects community health, economics and the overall livability of a town. A walkable urban area is more accessible to everyone, which helps to create a more equitable society. Increased walkability leads to reduced reliance on cars, which in turn lowers greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution. In addition, walkable urban areas encourage physical activity, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Now, what is the impact of walkability? Reduce traffic congestion since it helps to decrease congestion and the associated stress and pollution. Transportation equity. Promote active lifestyle. Safety improvements, wider sidewalks, pedestrian crossings, and traffic calming measures make streets safer for all users. Health benefits. Environment benefits. Transportation benefits. And finally, economic benefits. Footscray, located just 5 kilometres of Melbourne's central business district, is a dynamic suburb known for its rich cultural diversity and vibrant community life and historical, industrial area. Footscray Station is a vital transport hub, experiencing a high volume of pedestrians during peak hours. The narrow pathways and lack of open space result in congestion, particularly when commuters, shoppers, and cyclists converge in the station area. To enhance the walkability of the area, it is essential to consider the local services. The site already has a variety of services, and the focus should be on prioritising pedestrian access to make their journeys more convenient. Walkability faces several challenges such as congestion and car traffic jam, the lack of crosswalks and pedestrian signals, and also the lack of green spaces and poor air quality. While increasing intersections may initially seem to create additional traffic bottlenecks, they can be transformed into efficient nodes that facilitate smoother traffic flow through implementing measures such as synchronized traffic signals, dedicated turn lanes, and pedestrian crossings. The rail routes are a significant asset, however. They also divide the centre into two. Streets like Lead, Irvie, or Nicholson each contribute to Footscray's unique character. However, during morning and evening rush hours, commuters flood the streets, while visitors contribute to the foot traffic all day. This increased activity can overwhelm the available road space and pedestrian pathways, leading to bottlenecks that slow down both vehicle and foot traffic. While Irvie Street offers a quiet, residential atmosphere, its narrower roads can create challenges for parking and traffic flow. Moreover, the challenges could be unsafe pedestrian crossings, minimal bike lanes, and a dominance of cars. The intersection of Irvie Street and Nicholson Street, which is a major arterial road, experiences heavy traffic, which leads to delays for drivers attempting to merge. The design also fails to accommodate cyclists safely. As a comparison with successful walkability projects, there are 5 basic features that attract people on foot. First, shaped. Well-designed pedestrian environments feature streetscapes that encourage walking. This includes elements like curvilinear paths, strategically placed benches, and public art installations. Streets should be aesthetically pleasing and designed to invite exploration. Second, they are comfortable. Comfort includes wide sidewalks, smooth surfaces, and adequate seating areas. Amenities such as shade from trees, water fountains, and sheltered bus stops enhance the walking experience. Third, they are connected. A well-connected network ensures that paths and crossings link key destinations, such as shops and public transport. This interconnectedness facilitates movement and reduces detours. Next, they are safe. Safety is a critical factor in walkability. This includes well-lit streets, visible crosswalks, and traffic calming measures such as speed bumps or roundabouts to reduce vehicle speeds. The presence of security features like surveillance cameras or community policing can also increase the perception of safety. Last, the streets where people really like to be are memorable. Creating a memorable experience encourages people to return to an area. This can be achieved through unique architectural designs, art, signs, and landscape. By incorporating these 5 features, we can create environments that attract people on foot, enhancing overall walkability and community engagement. Irvie Street's narrower roads can create challenges for parking and traffic flow, especially during gatherings or events. As a solution, we raised pedestrian crossings to slow down vehicle traffic, prioritize pedestrian movement, and improve accessibility for people with disabilities or those pushing strollers. Had some greenery for shading, and the cycling lane for safety and inclusivity. In contrast, Nicholson Street serves as a major arterial road connecting Footscray to Melbourne's central business district. It often suffers from heavy traffic congestion during peak commuting hours. The lack of pedestrian crossings makes it difficult to navigate the streets safely. As a solution, we created a one-back crossing, a cycling lane, plus a bus stop for the public transport. Add some greenery and widen the footpaths. And for a maximum of effort, we added a canopy in the wait area. Leeds Street is a vibrant thoroughfare lined with local businesses and cafes, featuring tree-lined sidewalks and bike lanes that encourage walking and cycling. However, it experiences congestion during peak hours due to the high volume of pedestrians and vehicles. To make it more convenient, we add a cycling lane in both sides. We should as well widen the footpaths, add greenery for shading, and technology using solar energy. In conclusion, walkability is a multifaceted concept. It encompasses accessibility, urban design, safety, social interaction, and health considerations, all of which influence people's choices to engage in walking.